In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a GoDaddy website. We'll be walking through the basic design process inside your GoDaddy account, from opening your site editor to choosing a new look, customizing the visual style, and publishing your changes when everything looks right. This is a simple workflow, and it's a great way to refresh the appearance of your website without needing any advanced design skills. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area and click on it. This is where you can access the websites connected to your account and manage them more easily. After that, find the specific website you want to work on and click on it. Make sure you select the correct site before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one website. Once you've opened the right website, click Edit Website. This will take you into the website editor, where you can make visual changes and preview how your site will look. Now, inside the editor, click on Theme. This is the section where you can control the overall style of your website. From here, click Try a New Look. This feature allows you to browse through different design options and preview how they affect your website. Take your time here and feel free to experiment. You can look through the available styles, compare them, and choose the one that best matches your brand, business, or personal preference. As you explore the options, pay attention to how each theme changes the mood and presentation of your site. Some styles may feel more modern and clean, while others may feel more bold or creative. The goal is to choose a look that supports your content and makes your website easy to read and visually appealing. Once you've selected the design you prefer, go ahead and customize your fonts and other design settings. This is where you can fine-tune the appearance so it feels more polished and consistent. Choose fonts that are easy to read and try to keep your design choices aligned across the whole site for a more professional result. When you're happy with the changes, click Publish. This will make your updated design live on your website, so visitors can see the new look. That's it. By opening your GoDaddy account, selecting your website, editing the site, trying a new theme, customizing the design, and publishing your updates, you can quickly redesign your website in a clean and user-friendly way.